Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to save contacts on the Botim app. First, install the app and open it. Once it's open, you will see the main interface. Now tap on Start a Call and you will find the options to add the contact. From here, you can also create a new group call or a new group chat. To save a contact, tap on New Contacts and enter the person's name and phone number. Then tap Save. If the contact doesn't appear in your Botim contact list, don't worry. This usually happens when the phone number is not registered or activated on Botim. Make sure you are adding a number that is already used in Botim. Once the number is active on Botim, the contact will appear in your list and you will be able to call them. That's it for this video, so make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.